Hey, what's up, everybody? You see this right here? Funique Podcasts, all right? Go check us out, okay? I'm trying something different. I'm messing around with my screen recordings on here to see if maybe we can, you know, figure out what all we can do on here. Here we go, guys. We're going to go up here. So, like I said before, I'm going to show you guys, um, here, where is it? I'm going to show you guys our website. So, this right here, this is what we're doing, guys. Let's see if it's gonna do that. Nope. Hold on. Let me go back. Da, 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 da. There we go. Aha. So this is the main page right here, guys. You got your home page, little welcome video, essentially. That explains our mission. You go hover over news. This is where we post the latest episodes, all that other fun stuff, to let you guys know what's going on. You go down here to channels. This shows you all the links that you need to keep up with us. Excuse me. So we got Funique podcasts. You got Don and Chris Unfiltered, which is our other podcast. Both of these are on YouTube. You've got Fun Chris 91, which is my Twitch stream. This takes you directly to Funique podcasts on Spotify. Um, then you go over here to Shop All. This is to where you can find where you want to donate to us if you want to. All proceeds are appreciated. They're not necessary, but they do help with being able to afford any other equipment or anything else that we need in order to provide better content for you guys. And also in the shop hall is where we're going to have stuff like if we start selling items, and you'll be able to see them up here too. So keep an eye out, guys. Download app on that section. What that's going to bring you guys up to, it's another tab separate, is going to bring you up to the app. This has got everything you need. Also, this one has all the channels that we do sell. This takes you back to the website. It's usually in this order: Mercari. What doesn't sell on Mercari, we sell on Whatnot on my live show. And then if that doesn't work, then we'll put it on here. Social media, you know, share the app. This takes you to our Facebook page, Funique Podcasts. This is if you want to donate. The blog section, just like on the website, gives you a brief, some of the shows that we did in the past. Kind of it gives you some read material to kind of, see what all we've talked about. And with the news, same thing. This takes you to some of the last couple of things that we've recorded so far. So everything is free. See, you can actually come up here, you can open in the app, you can add it to your home screen. You go to the About Us section over here. This basically, tells you more about who we are, also, and what we do. Same thing like over here in stories. This is back on the website. Same thing. These are some of the previous episodes that we already recorded. So if you guys want to go read up on that, check it out, and you can. Down here, this takes you to our email, Facebook, and YouTube. So if you guys want to go check it out, you're more than welcome to. But right up here, this is the website. FuniqueMobile.square.site. Don't forget the hyphen. Funique-mobile.square.site.